Assalamu alaikum. So today's topic is for class 11th subject physics Kepler's laws. So pitmis lectures manz paje is Kepler's first law as per is Kepler's second law या law of areas. So Kepler's second law क्या है? The line joining the sun and the planet sweeps out equal areas in equal intervals of time. That is the area velocity of the planet around the sun is constant, that is dA by dt. So याजन वनान यह कि अगर अख प्लेनेट पकान A पे B तान याजन पोकी फ्रॉम C पे D तान यूता ये एरिया कड़ A पे B तान अगर अमिस 5 सेकंड लगन यूता ये एरिया कड़ यूती एरिया कड़ यह टाइमस मंज दैट मीन्स एरियल वेलोसिटी रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. सो अगर बह वुच याजन A पे B डिस्टेंस कम C पे D डिस्टेंस ज्यादा तम मतलब गो ये पकान प्लेनेट ईच टाइमस मज कर ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर ये कर कम. दैट मीन्स यिज पर प्लेनेट इज क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन इट मूव्स फास्टर. So planet takes the same time to travel from A to B as from C to D. Naturally, the planet has moved faster from C to D. Thus, the linear speed, that means when the particle body is moving around in an elliptical path, this planet is moving in an elliptical path around the sun. The linear speed of the planet changes when it closes to the sun is more than the linear speed when away from the sun. Proof: let planet A moves from A to B in time dt. So therefore area swept with the position vector RT in time t is given by, that is area of the triangular region, that is 1 by 2, base will be RT and its height, we will take the height, this arc, that is AB r del theta. So that means del A is equal to 1 by 2 r square del theta. We will divide del t on both sides. Now taking limit delta t tends to 0 on both sides, we will get limit delta t tends to 0 is equal to del A by del t is equal to 1 by 2 r square limit del t tends to 0 del theta by del t. This del theta by del t is equal to dt by dt. This is called angular velocity. So angular velocity is denoted by omega, but we know angular momentum is equal to r cross p, that means r into mv. V is omega into r, that means L is equal to m omega square r. So here omega will become L is equal to mr square. So if we substitute these values in equation this, we will get dA by dt is equal to L by 2m. But we know because the gravitational force is a central force, and for central force this angular momentum is constant, because there means L is constant, 2m is constant, that means the dA by dt, that is angular, this area velocity is constant. So area velocity of a planet remains constant. So this Kepler's second law is the consequence of the law of conservation of angular momentum. So that means Kepler's law states if a particle moves, if this planet moves in an elliptical path from point between any two points, he will cover equal distance in equal intervals of time.